A wide. It is a wide. It's a freebie for New Zealand. Ball number 1 again. Perfect Yorker. They've got to get 2. Gunther will get back. He's quick enough. Ah, he's got it. It's huge. It's gone. It's out of the park. Here's Archer again. Mission gets him again. Will they go for 2? Gunther says yes, and Litchfield. More pressure. More pressure. 5 from 3 all of a sudden.